Carrie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing an unboxing of a product that I got off of Amazon. I do my own nails, at least I attempt to. And so I wanted to show y'all how it comes, what all it comes with, so that you don't have to go through the research I had to go through. This is a starter kit for me. It's not a starter kit, meaning professionals use it as well. What I mean as a starter kit is I made sure the kit came with everything that you need instead of having to piece it all together. So, without further ado, this came out of Amazon for $32, free Prime shipping. And the shipping did take a little while, probably about 4 days instead of 2 because of everything that's going on right now. Anyway, it is called Saviland Excelsior Nail Art. And what it is poly nail gel nail kit. So it's not going to be the gel polish, excuse me, gel polish, and it's not acrylic nails. It is the poly gel nail kit. So if you're not familiar with that, just look it up on YouTube. There's a lot of videos about it, and it's the new thing that everybody's doing. It's slightly easier than acrylic nails, and definitely a lot less work. So I wanted to try it. So the way that it comes in the packaging is like this. Now these two right here, this one and that one, are your form fills, which are like tips, with the exception of these are reusable. When you look up the instructions for how to do this and what I'm talking about, you'll kind of understand more. So don't get frustrated if I don't make a lot of sense. But this comes with two different curve sizes. Let me hold that right so y'all can see it. This one is very curved. So it's got that set, and then it has another one that's not as curved, depending on how you like your nails. So what I liked about this kit is it came with the variety of both. The other kits only come with one. See, that's just a little bit of a curve. The tips are numbered. So once you figure out what size fits your nails, then, and you're gonna wanna make sure they fit nail wall to nail wall, then it'll make the process a lot easier for you. You could just write them down or whatever. Okay, so the next thing that it came with is the spatula / brush that you're gonna need to use for the application. And this is real good quality stuff, y'all. I was kind of impressed because it was a little bit on the cheaper side for some of the kits. But it comes in a wand like this. It's very high quality and heavy. One end is your brush, and you'll be using that to shape the gel into your form fill, which basically means the tip. This is the spatula that you'll use to put the product on. And it's really nice, y'all. I'm impressed. Especially with the packaging. The packaging is really nice in this kit. Okay, the other thing you're going to want to make sure that comes in a kit that you get is slip solution. It's basically a liquid that makes the gel softer if it starts hardening up on you whenever you're doing your form. So this is the slip solution. A lot of these kits don't come with it. You're going to want to look for a kit that does, because you need it. A lot of people say, oh, I use alcohol. Well, I don't want to play, the guessing game. I want the right stuff. And for 32 bucks, it wasn't a bad price for a kit, trust me, y'all. Okay, and then it comes with a base and a top coat, and you will need these as well. It also comes with a very hard, high quality 180/100, which means one side's got to be finer grit than the other, nail file. So that was nice, because I had two, but it's always nice to have an extra one. And then this is the gels, what they look like in the box, and I'm going to list a picture as well. But these are what they look like in the box. And they're small tubes. I want to say that they're 15 ounces, something like that. I don't know. I'm sorry, y'all. However, I got the one that has 4 glitters and 3 base colors, or 3 solid colors, that's what I'm trying to say. So, this is diamond silver. This is the color right here. I know you probably can't see it well, but I will post pictures. This is diamond pink. Then it also has diamond red. And this is where you have the solid color and the glitter already mixed in for you, so you don't have to do it, because these are mixable. You can mix glitters in with them, but it's a lot more work. I got this for less work. And then this is Starlight Feel, and it's basically got a bunch of different colors in the glitter. Then it comes with a pink blush, which is this color right here. It comes with a clear, in case you want to do designs or add glitter or any type of art to your nail. And then it comes with a pink mauve. I kind of like the brighter colors, but I already have those in acrylic, and I didn't have these, and I wanted to try the ones that are mixed with glitter already because I love bling. And so I didn't go for the colors I might have picked had I not wanted the glitter. So y'all check out the different colors. They do come with this kit. This is just the color theme that I chose. It does come with an instruction book, and it tells you different looks that you can do in here. Anything from the regular poly gel to builder gel, which means you're going to add something to it, whether it be glitter or another color. Spider gel, where it looks like it's glazed over your nail. Glitter gel nail polish, and regular color gel nail polish. So it's got a lot of different things in there, and the complete instructions are in this book. I already looked because I'm going to be using them too. So anywho, for $32, I thought this was a pretty good deal, and it's a very good quality, and I love the packaging, and it's not necessarily mono ones, which is the name brand of these kits, but I saved about 20 bucks by not buying that one, and this being my first time, I thought I probably should start out with something cheaper just to make sure I'm even able to do it. So, y'all check back on my channel. I am Carrie Shelby on YouTube, Carrie Shelby on Facebook, and I am Carrie Shelby on Instagram. Follow, like, and subscribe for more videos. See y'all next time.